New in Mastercam 2027 is the modernization of our Machine Definition Manager and associated interfaces. This improves the workflow for building machines and using the machine kinematics. Let's take a look. In previous versions of Mastercam, dialog boxes such as these would allow the user to update and configure machine definitions. But warning messages like this cause confusion, as we had both global and local copies of the files. In Mastercam 2027, our machine definition and control definition menus have drop-down options, guiding the user along their workflow. For example, in a blank session of Mastercam 2027, without a machine selected, our machine definition drop-down prompts a user to create a new mill, lathe, or other type of machine. And this brings up our global machine definition function panel, where we can configure our new machine, including the kinematic tree, the axis combinations, and the control definition, as well as other options. And as you can see, we're now integrated into our function panel for a more streamlined user workflow. Okay, so that's working with a new machine. But what about existing machines, like one that's already in use in an existing file? Well, we've got that covered too. With a machine definition already loaded in our current Mastercam session, our dropdown now shows options to edit both local or global copies. So, global would open up a new session of Mastercam, allowing us to separate our work on the machine definition from our current working file. But choosing local would edit this current machine definition that is in use. This workflow helps the user understand which files they're working on. And since we're in the machine definition panel, let's take a look at our options. Here we can modify our machine configuration, update our axis combinations, and even access our control definition. Having accurate machine and control definitions are a crucial part of your success as a Mastercam programmer. And with Mastercam 2027 and our upgraded streamlined workflow, you'll spend less time configuring and more time making chips.